A for
ball.
B for
Ball.
C for
Cat.
D for
Dog.
E for
Elephant.
F for
Hen.
G for
Goat.
H for
Ball.
hen.
Hen.
H for
Hen.
I for
Ice.
J for
Dog.
K for
Apple. Kite.
L for
Elephant. Monkey.
lion.
Lion.
L for
Lion.
M for
M for M for monkey.
କ'ଣ
M for
ହୁଁ
diamond. Uncle. Puna.
ଏବେ କହିଲୁ କହୁନୁ M for
M for
ହଁ
monkey.
ହଁ N for
N for
next
daddy.
O for
On it.